Hello and welcome to Imanni Music Online Lessons, where we learn how to make music mental health solutions in our lives. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Imanni. I write music for mental health awareness, and before we get started, we got to make sure that our bodies and minds are ready. So, shake yourself out a little bit, loosen up a wee bit, right? Stretch your body out. We want to make sure that our bodies are nice and loose and ready for music. Also, let's make sure that we have some good posture going on. So, make sure that you have a beautiful L shape against your chair with your body, and also make sure that your arms have an awesome L shape as well. Your hands, make sure they're nice and flexible and loose. Stretch them out a little bit and then let them drape down as if there's nothing in them. Let them be nice and loose and allow gravity to take the rest from there. Let's take a deep breath in and let it out. Wonderful. While you're exhaling, make sure that your shoulders are relaxing as well. Now, since our bodies are ready to play some music, let's make sure that our minds are also ready with a mental health quote coming from William Shakespeare. Our bodies are our gardens. Our wills are our gardeners. So, make sure that your will is in the right place when you're learning this piano. Your will needs to be parallel to your goals. Have a positive will. Make sure that you are thinking positively while you're playing piano. It makes a world of difference. So, if you haven't tried it yet, try it for this music lesson. When we're talking about skips, a skip is a slightly larger step, basically. A skip is anything that is larger than a major second away, but smaller, but peaks off at a perfect fifth, okay? So, for example, this is a skip. This is also a skip. This is also a skip. That's also a skip. This is also a skip. All of these fall within a perfect fifth distance. A perfect fifth, if we were counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this note is in the key of C major, so we know that it is perfect. And this is our root note. So this is a perfect fifth right here. If we just do this by extending one half step up, we actually jump outside of skipping notes. Now we enter into the world of leaping from note to note.